Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is This channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make cauliflower swallow or cauliflower fufu using cauliflower powder or cauliflower flour. But anyway, in this channel I already have cauliflower fufu where I use the cauliflower itself in the whole bunch. Showed you the process. The link should be popping up anytime from now. This time around I want to use the cauliflower powder, as in this is already dry. I'll also try and make a video and show you how you can get this, but this one I got from the health store. If you don't want to go through the process of dehydrating and blending and all that, just go ahead and get it. This should be like $15. It's quite expensive, so I would suggest you go ahead and do what? Buy the cauliflower and dehydrate it and you blend it. It's very simple, but I'm going to show you the video. But anyways, this is a brand that I love to use when I happen to be lazy. I don't want to go through the process. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, it's high in fiber, it has protein and all that. It's good. No artificial flavor, no nothing. It's just the vegetable and that's it. Okay, so I'm going to be using like a cup of it. You could use half cup depending on how many quantity you want to make. And I'm going to be using psyllium husk. One thing I want to say, if you think you don't want it like so thick and so soft, you could use the cauliflower alone, but for me I want it to really combine properly, so I'm going to use like a tablespoon of psyllium husk. And here you can see my water is boiling already. I have my turning stick, like we'll call it, and of course my plate. You're going to need a cling wrap. I hope I can still find one. If not, I just put it in the plate like that and show you guys the end of the cauliflower. So let's go into making this. Guys, before we start, I want to thank you so much for your support and love you've been showing me in this channel. I am truly grateful. I really appreciate you all, and I pray that God will bless you all. Just in case you're seeing my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing, watch other videos, like them, share them, leave a comment. God bless you as you do so. Thank you all for everything. I will not take this for granted. Alright, so let's go into making our cauliflower fufu. You see how smooth it is? It is well grounded and sifted. So just start with probably 2 cups of water or a cup of water, and then let me put on my gloves because this pot seems to be very hot. So just go ahead and stir. Let me reduce the light so it doesn't burn. Just keep stirring. You don't want to leave it to burn. This why I said you might not need the psyllium husk is because you know how flour is. It's different from when it's still kind of wet. If you keep doing this, it's going to combine, but I'm going to be using psyllium husk because I don't want to waste time in making this. So now I'm adding a tablespoon of the psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is high in fiber. It's also a colon cleanser. It's very good. You could even add it in water and drink. It helps to regulate blood pressure too. It's good for the heart health. And it is gentle, it's not harsh. So all you keep doing is you keep stirring just the same way you will make your regular fufu, and then it will start combining. If you need to add more water, if you think it's too thick, go ahead. If not, I think this 2 cups of water is kind of enough for that. Alright, it's good, it's ready. It smells cauliflower-ish. It's good to eat organic things, good to eat healthy. Believe me, it helps with your digestion too. When you are able to move your bowel every day, why would you be sick? Your gut health needs to be healthy. When you take care of your gut, which is your stomach, believe me, a lot of good things will be happening there. Alright, so I'm good here. I'm just go ahead and turn off the light. Remember, the light was on low, very, very low. And now I'm going to transfer it into the cling wrap. Let it cool and then go ahead and enjoy myself. This should be very, very okay for me. Look at that. That's a decent size for anybody. So you just wrap it. I'm out of cling wrap. I'm going to have to manage this. When it's cool, you're done. And here you have it, guys. Your cauliflower fufu. Look at that. Very simple and very easy to make. Immediately it cools a little bit, go ahead and enjoy. Even if you can't wait, go ahead and enjoy it right now. It doesn't matter. All right? So the next video, hopefully I'll buy the cauliflower itself and show you how to make it into a flour. This flour can also be used to make bread. You can try it. It's not bad. It's lovely. So, you know, thank you so much for joining me. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please, I beg you, kindly support me by subscribing. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I hope you do like it. God bless each and every one of you. Try this out. Let me know how it tastes, how it feels for you. God bless you all. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were